Good morning, welcome back to day 2. Still not decided whether I'm going to go up Cefn or Strad yet. I'm currently parked up at the reservoir, Pontystylic, however you pronounce it. I stayed last night actually with an old mate of mine I've not seen for 25 years, so a little worse for wear this morning, but we had a cracking night in Talgarth. So Dave, spot on, thank you very much. Properly looked after me. I might have a little mooch around the reservoir for a bit before I make a decision, because I don't want to do it and then the twins meet me and then not have anything left in the legs for the walk this afternoon. So we'll see what happens. Bring you back in a bit. So I'm making my way up Cefn or Strad. I'm start of the path now. I'm not going to follow it as in the Nuttall, but because I've still got another big walk to be doing in a bit. So I'm going to go and smash this one out while I wait for the twins. Boggy as hell. I'm heading up this way. Almost at the summit. Looking over to Penavan, Clondy, Cribbin. The summit is just over this brow. There's the summit. 617 metres. Awesome. So this is the most western point of the Brecon mountains anyway that are classified. There's the Black Mountains coming into view where I was yesterday. Van. A bit windy. Quarry. Something's bit of that sheep, that carcass. Right, it's gone to a right lovely afternoon now. The forecast is pretty favourable, so not far off getting back to the car now, about a kilometre I reckon. Get back the car, meet up with the twins, drive round to the start of the next walk. Boom! So I've just had a bit of a mission getting back to this path. Cut through a farm, slipped, nearly went on my backside, managed to save myself. Nobody around, so Nobody would have seen it. Well, look at this. So I'm about 10 minutes back to the car, meet up with the boys, drive down to the next step or stage of the walk, and go and smash that one. It's turned out to be a right lovely afternoon now. As over stays like the forecaster said it will. There's just something about the sound of water lapping against the shore, isn't there? Magical. Right, bring you back in a bit. Well, met up with the boys now from Twin Peaks Wild Camping, Mark and Simon, and we're going to head up onto Alcluid first, and then make our way round the bridge, back to the other two nutholes, and have a look at the wreckage.
Power hiking, oh come on.
Power hiking.
Power hiking. Gotta get some practice in that.
I like this waterfall, man. It's very pretty. Just get. Look at that. So that's the summit of the other one over there, where I've come from. Some numbnuts here, brought us the wrong side. Put it down to tiredness. But we're leisurely making our way up to Brecon. So we're going to bag that one first, Warren Reed, and then Alcluid last. We just got to negate around this bit of a bog section. Right, see you in a bit. So we're heading up to the first of these nutholes now, Brecon. Then we're going to go round to Warren Reed, have a look at Carn Peaker, come back and have a look at the memorial to the Wellington bomber, and then drop back down and bag Alcluid there before getting some much needed alcohol. Oh, I'll bloody shower in the bloody rum. Oh, a cracking walk this one, now that we've got the worst part out the way. 100%. Spot on. Whew. Just whacked an energy gel down me as well. Waning a little bit. But we're nearly there. Whoop whoop. And there we have it, guys and gals. Brecon 754 metres, and another nuthole boxed off, and look at the view across. So there's Fanny Big, Cribbin, Penavan, Corndy, whoop whoop, and this is Brecon. Fair dues. Looking down to Brecon. Happy days, and there's the boys now. "754 metres in the bag. Got a view across there now. Fair dues." No. That's on it. It's alright, I'll just take the next one now. And there we have it! Warren Reed. 769 metres. Looking over to the Black Mountains, the Sugarloaf in the distance. And there we go. Yay! Oh my word! Get in! And here we have it, Cymru. And it looks like from the last videos I've seen of it, more of it's been demolished. Why can't people leave stuff alone? And here we are, Cymru. Pikachu! Look at the state of that. It's a shame, that is, isn't it? That's a shame, that. That's not happened on its own. What a shame. It is nice to see it.
That was fucking more very fast. I'm going to sit down in this box.
So we're back at the caravan now after watching Wales score an equaliser late in the death
Oh yeah!
against Croatia. Simone, Marky Poo.
Wales!
Cheers,
Wales,
boyos!
Wales! 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 Nathan Broadhead. Who's he, son? He's awesome, isn't he?
The next superstar.
He is.
Yippee!
Oh yeah.
So it's the first time I'm going to be sleeping in my car tonight. It's not the greatest, but it'll do. There's loads of mods I need to make to this, but like I said, for what it is, it's better than sleeping in a tent on the side of a mountain or anything like that. So I've got plenty of warmth, although it's just started raining now. I need to do more with the curtains, but hey ho, it is what it is. Right, Gonna get in there. See you in a bit. Yeah, it's not quite level, so I need to take some inches off the coffee table I've got here. Need to sort out some proper curtains and shears. But it'll do. It will do, donkey. So I'm back at sunny Flint. Cracking night's sleep, to be fair. Some work to do though around the curtains and making sure that the bed's level. But as car camping goes for a solo, first time, spot on. Thanks to the boys from Twin Peaks Wild Camping as well for a cracking day and night last night. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later.